Hello guys, welcome back to another part of PHP tutorial. In this part we are going to learn about constants in PHP. A constant in PHP is an identifier or a symbol name for saving a symbol data. So as the name suggests, the value of the constant cannot be changed during the execution of the script. By default, all the constants are case sensitive, and by naming conversions, all the constants are declared in uppercase letters. It is also possible to declare constants in lowercase, but by the naming conventions of PHP, it is better to declare a constant in uppercase letters only. There is no need to insert a dollar symbol before a constant name. That is the main difference between a constant and a variable in PHP. A variable is always declared with a dollar symbol at the front of that variable, but here for the constant there is no need to insert a dollar symbol before the constant name. By default, the scope of a constant is global. That means throughout the PHP script you can access a constant variable in PHP. Follow the same creation rule for labels in creation of constants. And a constant in PHP is declared using a predefined PHP function called define. Here is the syntax of the define function. Here is the syntax. Actually, the define function holds three parameters. First one is the constant name, second one is the constant value, and third one is a case insensitive. The third parameter is actually a boolean one. The default option is false. That means it is not case insensitive. And the constant name means indicate the name of the constant, and constant value is the value given to the constant or value assigned to the constant, and case sensitive whether the constant name is case sensitive or not. Default is false. That means it is case sensitive. And here is an example of the define function. On the first example you can see that here I just declare a constant called message and assign a value to that message variable. On the second example you can see that there are three parameters. First one is the constant name, second one is the constant value, and as a third parameter I pass as true. That means the second example define a case insensitive constant. You can use a constant function to get the value of constant. You can retrieve the value of a constant by invoking this PHP function called a constant. For example, here I just declare I just retrieve the value from the constant variable max value using that function. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting more video updates. In the next part we are going to learn more about constant in PHP with a complete example. See you in the next part of this tutorial.